Good day, dear students. Today, we are starting to study a new discipline, toxicological and forensic chemistry. The topic of today's lecture is the group of substances isolated from biological material by water extraction of objects which investigated, mineral acids, alkalis, and their salts. Speaker, Doctor of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Professor Wilczynska Elena. Contents. Common characteristic of the group, mineral acids, alkalis, salts. Practically directed educational objectives of the lecture is to study the class of group of substances isolated from biological material by water extraction of objects, structure, metabolism, identification, and quantitative determination. Mineral acids, alkalis, salts, as well-known representatives of this group, highly toxic substances which are also used in medicine and pharmacy. Toxicological and forensic chemistry is a science which studies methods of isolation, purification, qualitative detection, and quantitative determination of toxic and poisonous substances and their metabolites in objects of various origin. Test. Which from the list of the substances is a representative of the class of mineral acids? The correct answer is C, hydrochloric acid. You can see chemical structures and names of mineral acids, alkalis and salts, which we will study during lecture. Works of alchemist Albert Great contain the information about receiving method of sulfuric acid by heating of ink stone. Arabic chemist Jabir ibn Hayyan or Geber wrote about nitric acid. First drugstore was founded in 1581 by the law of Russian Tsar Ivan Grozny. Objects for examination or investigation, cadaveric material, stomach with the contents, liver, kidney, vomiting mass, food, blood, urine, and many others. Mineral acids, using in manufacturing, in chemical laboratories, in laboratories of pharmaceutical analysis as chemical reagents. Toxicological significance. Irritate the respiratory tract and cauterize mucous membranes, cause severe chemical burns. Protein denaturation. The main methods of isolation of mineral acids from biological objects are extraction and dialysis or its combination. You can see plan of isolation of mineral acids step by step. Under the action of iodine on sulfuric anhydride, sulfuric acid is formed, which is investigated in this solution. Alkalis, using in industry, chemical laboratories, and so on. Toxicological significance, destroy proteins and lead to their denaturation. You can see the rules of first aid if poisoning by ammoniac. Salts, nitrates and nitrates. Using as mineral compounds, for example, potassium nitrate when canning meat products. It kills bacteria that cause botulism. Toxicological significance, gastrointestinal disorders, carcinogenic effect on the body. The main methods of isolation of alkalis, nitrates, nitrates are extraction and dialysis or its combination. You can see a scheme of metabolism of mineral acids and alkalis. The main reaction of metabolism is hydrolysis. The main metabolites of these compounds are salts. You can see a scheme of metabolism of nitrates. Nitrates are metabolites of nitrates. The main metabolites of nitrates and nitrates are N-nitrosamethylaniline, para-nitrosa-N,N-dimethylanilin, N-nitrosamethylurea. Qualitative detection of mineral acids. For sulfuric acid, you can use reaction with barium chloride, white precipitate, reaction with sodium rhodizonate, its specific reaction, reaction of sulfuric acid with copper oxide, reaction of sulfuric acid with calcium nitrate. For qualitative detection of hydrochloric acid, reaction with silver nitrate, white precipitate. For qualitative detection of alkalis, for example, reaction of sodium hydroxide with copper hydroxide. For qualitative detection of nitrates, we can use reaction with Gris reagent, sulfonilic acid and alpha-naphthylamine, product of red color. Quantitative analysis. Chromatography, electrophoresis, mass spectrometry, fluorometry, electrochemical methods, biochemical methods. Test. Which of the following acids is included in the Gris reagent? The correct answer is E, sulfonilic acid. So, the toxic substances considered today are mineral acids, alkalis, and alkali metal salts, which are used in practice and have a certain toxicological significance. The main methods of isolation of these substances are extraction of biological material with water in combination with dialysis. The metabolism, methods of qualitative detection, quantitative determination of representatives of this group of compounds are considered. You can see recommended literature for study of discipline, toxicological and forensic chemistry. And thank you for your attention.